We're going to stay in Christchurch. A small protest was held outside an insurer's office in the city today on the 7th anniversary of the first Canterbury earthquake. On September the 4th, 2010, a magnitude 7.1 earthquake hit shortly after 25 to 5 in the morning near the inland Canterbury town of Darfield. A Christchurch woman, Jo Petrie, whose St Martin's home was damaged in both the September 2010 and February 2011 quakes, today led a protest outside the office of her insurer, IAG, over delays to settling Cantabrian's quake claims. Our reporter Maya Burry was there.
Thank you so much for coming today, and it's really sad that we're all here today, so we want change so that we don't have to have these David and Goliath fights.
Jo Petrie spoke to a crowd of about 20 people gathered outside IAG's Addington office today. Ms Petrie says she's been fighting her insurer since shoddy quake repairs were carried out on her home in 2015. She says her family has spent about $100,000 on legal fees and experts, proving to IAG that the new foundations the house was put on during repairs don't fit and the house is at the wrong height.
We know from the internal documentation we have through the Official Information Act that IAG have a lot of information also to show that it's not okay, but yet we just have to keep proving it at great cost to us, time, family time and money, so yeah, those are the issues.
Jo Petrie says it is unacceptable that on the 7th anniversary of the September quake, she and hundreds of other homeowners in Canterbury are still waiting for their claims to be settled.
The process is just so slow, so they have said multiple times that they will help us, they will resolve the issues, and we appreciate that, but we just need it done. We need it done in a timely manner, and we're 7 years out.
Another of those at the protest with an unsettled claim is Paddy Brochery, whose Sumner home is insured with Southern Response. Ms Brochery says trying to reach a settlement has taken a toll on herself and her husband, who are both in their 70s.
We spend $700 a month on heating because I've got all the cracks around the house. We don't know when there's a wind if there's another earthquake because various parts of the foundation move. I can't deal with it anymore now because what does it do to your health? It's not worth it, me having a heart attack or a stroke, and we're not going to allow it to.
A Southern Response spokesperson says it is committed to resolving its remaining customers' claims as quickly and fairly as possible. IAG's General Manager for Claims Services, Dean McGregor, says out of the 10,000 claims it has handled, less than 50 properties have had problems with substandard repair work. Mr McGregor says IAG has been working hard to resolve Jo Petrie's claim.
Canterbury has been an extremely rare event. It's a very large event, but for everybody that's still to reach resolution, we understand that there is a real frustration around that. I live in Canterbury, I've lived through the last 7 years as well, so I understand the frustration in the local community. We are very focused on bringing resolution to this.
Mr McGregor says IAG has about 1,000 outstanding residential quake claims left to settle. In Christchurch for Checkpoint, Maya Burry.